Great music all the time. Playing the variety of music.
Music on the radar.
Hip hop.
You play the same, I raise the bar.
R&B, house. Pop music, gospel, and culture.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God! We are number one! MCRS playlist, 365 days. No one can stop us. No one can stop us.
Ngingasekhonipho boy isithando sami ekande kuba yini kulamalanga ngingasekhonipho boy isithando sami umphakamiseli lizwi.
It's 9 minutes before 10. A music producer, artist, and a label owner, the Sweet Vibe Entertainment. Bongani MP, welcome to the show, man. How are you, sir? Elele. Ngisakhumbula ngalezi ngoma lezi ezinye esidluleko, the likes of Zatumemutsa, because that's one of the hit song le wayenzele station, I think 6-7 years back, if I'm not mistaken. Sithi ngisayikhumbula kahle nje.
Hayi lebayazi everywhere yaphethe idali.
Yeah.
Ya ngokwakusetshenzwa zazibuye kudala zibuye.
Ya kudala zibuye ne.
Yeah, kade khulu.
Alright. So uyenze ngiyakhumbula ziyakhothana something like Yemadoda, something like Lager Crab, or something like Karate, something like Million, and you've been in this field for a long time, man.
Yeah. Azange ke ngihlale ngingasebenzi, although dala ngagcina kuba mhlambe ne-full album, mara every year ngahlela something.
Yeah.
So but now ngiyacabanga ukuthi ungathi kusikhathi ukuthi ngicombine wonke lama-hit athengiseke nge-CD, although umusic abantu asisawenzi ngama-CD, but I think combine nje because ama-CD players asesekhona, which means people still need some CDs out there, so sizabona senze njani.
Okay. So under label yakho Sweet Vibe Entertainment, if I'm remembering very well, usebenza nabo Smangele and nabanye abantu abaningi la usebenza nawo nje.
Yeah, isikhathi esiningi ngisebenze khumbula ngiqhema ezifana nabo Strong Measures, ngikhumbula abo Kiliboni, and then ukhambe iminyaka kufike la sengisebenza khulu nge-traditional music.
Yeah.
Because ngabona ukuthi if thina abantu abatsha basingafaka isandla singazama ukuthi sithuthukise i-tradition ekhona esikwazi uyenza kwaNdebele. So ngasebenza noSimangele, ngisebenzile uNzuza nengikhali zebhoso, umanayiza lo, I'm the producer. I worked on that track. Kushokonyaka Bongela sathi award winner this year. I worked on that music. Nje kukhona ama-gospel esisebenza ngayo kwanje. I think vanese ngikhuluma ngithi abona nje ngifuna ukusebenza ngomusic, real music, ngingadoshi ngibalekele entweni ezidula. Ngifuna lezi challenge yabo more ezi-serious, because umuntu uba likhotmali manje, so mawuloko ugegelela lezi ezidlula le ntwana ezincane zizokuyisa.
So how do you describe your music? Music wakho wena Mouthles we1 wenza this track, describe ukuthi what genre is your music?
Bese ngithi nangikhuluma ngithi is dance music, mara ke ingoma azifani because Yemadoda
yeah
it's all full, mara seyihlangane ne-tradition ngoba indaba yasula bobaba ngemkhaba emkhulu siyabona ukuthi sekunezinto ukuhlangana la then so kaningi ngivale sometimes ngabe soulful sometimes ngabe commercial but always the tradition in my music always.
And for now we'll say so release some few single tracks. Lekker Grab, the one in Katwikala manje.
Yeah, Lekker Grab, and then we have one Karate last year. Then manje kune Lekker Grab kune Yamatota. And then I think if go December uzabe soyizwile ingoma kunengoma engifeature uHanda the Guitar Man ihlanganise neguitar ihlukile inyana kunalezi enginokuzenza ngenxa yeguitar because igitar nayo iyacula.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Asizwe le yaka Karate le release last year. It's 5 minutes before 10. Sikhuluma noBongani MP, man. I love the bass line of this song, Karate. I love the bass line of this song, Karate.
Yeah, I guess I'll figure a bit the middle tune party
Yeah. So what was the message here? Karate, what's happening? Karate wenza njani? Bufuna ukudlala karate wethu.
Kuthi ngifana ukuthi bakhambe bongilobolela umuntu mhlambe ngingamazi kangako but akabe ngakho hlala naye. Kanti unamandla uyabetha yabona.
Okay.
Yeah, so ikarati ukuthi kunabo baba abazithola bahlukumezeka but then angeke bakhona ukukhuluma if akhuluma ubona ngathi bazomhleka. Ikarati ungayithatha ngathi it's a joke mara ekugcineni sizama ukuthi nomuntu lo ohlukumezako amuntu ongubaba angasabi ukukhuluma ukuthi phela nambaya ngibetha ngisizana. Phela kwazi ukukhulume akwazi mhlambe la ukuthi njani avula icase or bakwazi ukumsiza so bomama ekwaziwa ukuthi umama yakahlukumezeka sayakwazi ukukhuluma mara ubaba noma bangamenza kakhulu ukukhuluma manje ikarati ngubaba olina ukuthi phela umuntu lo ngihlalela uyangibetha akadlali. Ine music video yayo ku YouTube Bongani MP Karati ikhona official music video bazokwazi ukubona ukuthi wenzani lo mama kuBongani MP.
All right. Just because of his cutting for you to the new single le ibizwa lesizwe idlala manje, I'm sure like it's the one song ikhona ku charts has been in the chart for quite some time. Sibizwa ukuthi Yemadoda.
Yeah.
So Yemadoda yona bekwenzekani? What's the message behind the song?
Yemadoda ilendo ukuthi kaningi nginasezwe emakhaya singasebenzi abanye basafunda kugcina kunama relationships so abantu mhlambe abanganalitho bobabili mara bazwana ngakho konke and then if someone uthola ama greener pastures ujika nje lo munye.
Yeah.
So lo oseleko lo munye sekasebenza akasafuni lo ngasebenzi so lo ngasebenzi uyalile ukuthi madoda basindaba ibudisi mara kunanto ngingayenza loya aselahlala naye umthole sela nemali mina ngiyamaza kahlupheka bekakhuthazwa ngini.
All right. So
Yeah.
yobongani MP message wakho to young upcoming artists labafuna ukufana nawe bafuna ukuba ama producer, some banama studios in their bedrooms, abanye nje bayazamazamba phasi phezulu nje, ungathini kibo mfo?
I-research izobasiza kakhulu. Always nabahlangane nama-musician, bahlangana bonga ne-MP, bahlangane nabo namanje ama-musician avela khona. Kumele bazame ukufuna ilwazi lonke balidingako. Bangalihijeki, balithome nalithoma khona. Umuntu abuzisise ukuthi manje nangifuna lokhu ngenze njani. Ngoba abaningi balila ngokuthi bafuna ingoma zabo ku-radio, bafuna ini. So they must be able to research ukuthi kusebenza njani. And baye lemikhatshweni MTRS FM, lemikhatshweni eminye eseduze nabo baye bayokufuna ilwazi ukuthi kahle kahle ukuze singene la emkhathweni nathi sizwakala kumele senze music ube njani kwathi amagama we-radio into ezengalezo ukufunda ukukhamba benze research kuyobakhulisa.
All right. And bakuthola kuphi kuma social media? Do you have a Facebook, Twitter and your email?
Okay, Facebook Bongani MP Trackmaster, then ikhona i-page lami ngibongani MP straight, then Twitter @hitmaker MP, and then YouTube channel Bongani Motau, then email address bongani.mpm@yahoo.com. Yeah, and then ukusuka lapho ngiyakwazi ukupromote ngibase ku WhatsApp.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Bongani Mutau. Ukukhulumisana nawe la kuMutsa Community Radio Station, man. So, do you have any gig for this weekend? Do you go anywhere? You perform mhlambe?
No, we're busy in production, but my page wami anything ebakhona sizoyilahlela. Siku production manje esibengikhuluma ukuthi ngabe siyakhona sihlanganise senze full album. So, I'm working on those things, and then izathi mase ngena iDecember kahle zabe sesibhizi si-promote senza yonke lento ekhona.
All right, thank you very much, man. Bongani, have a lovely weekend, guy.
Thokoze KC, sithokoze umhaji MCRS ngokusilethela ilwazi.
Elele.
I feel good. Bow, wow, wow, wow. I knew that I wouldn't. Bow, wow, wow, wow. I feel good. Wow, wow, wow. I knew that I wouldn't. Bow, wow, wow, wow. So good. Bow, bow. So good. Bow, bow. I got you. Bow, 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 bow. So good. Bow, bow. So good. Bow, but I got you. Bow, bow. So good. Bow, bow. So good. Bow, I got you. Bow, 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 bow.
It's 3 minutes past 10, the second edition of the Top 30 Hits Countdown. Thank you very much, Mr. Bongani Mutau.